Today we got a Cisco ASA 5505 Adaptive Security Appliance. So this one we're going to have gold pins, of course, on the back. It looks like we're going to have some LEDs in here once we get in. Right now, screwdriver's probably a bit too small. Yep. Oh, let's go with you. Somebody has put band-aids as feet on the bottom of this. I guess that kind of works. Let's try number one here. Screws on the outside. Oh, no. Two here. And I'm always glad when I find slots like this on items, because it usually means that way down deep in there there's pins, and they're usually gold plated. We have a cover disconnected here. There could be another screw hiding under a band-aid. Very flimsy plastic. Oh joy, we've got a couple little brass nubs in here, so we'll have to go in and pull those out at some point. We apparently missed a screw on the bottom that was hiding under a band-aid. Okay, got a couple more screws on the inside in here. One there, there's one up here. That's all I see screw-wise. And we are going to be serenaded by the pack again. This back looks like it's got to come off. But if it does, I don't see how. Okay, we've got some kind of a card on this side too. Compact flash card. That actually might be worth something. 128 megabytes. Two. One, we've got a battery in here that needs to come out. There's that. We've got two small aluminum heat sinks. They're still on them. And these are, the pins on them are rather small, so they just snapped off on me. Grief. Well, that's one way to get a BGA up. Came up with the heatsink. I have to see if I can get that off, because that's got, you know, that's got gold in it. I'll have gold wiring in it. Yeah, what looks to be a 250 megabyte, 256 megabyte memory card. Smallest card I found. Gold pins on it, so that's always nice to get out too. Still don't see a way of getting this out of this case, really. Looks like that's riveted in, which means looks like the back comes off first. Just bending the metal. Well made, I'll give them that. Oh, we'll do it the easy way. Far enough, and the board should pop out, hopefully. There we go. That is all steel. Let the sparks fly. So, what else do we have here? One small transformer there. We'll pull off. That's another, some kind of a copper spool in there. What else do we see? We've got a bunch of little chips, ICs, MOSFETs, crystal oscillator, gold corner flat pack, or BGA rather, flat pack chip. These are all of our connectors. These guys have a F code, so I do not know what those are. There's one thing I don't like about those pliers is that the jaws do not come together well. Several crystal oscillators. I can't get a pair of pliers on that to pull it off right now. And maybe these snaps will get it. There we go. What do we got here? Whatever this is, I have no idea what that is. It's got some kind of a black layer between two metallic layers. Normally I'd say a capacitor of some kind, but with the R code on there, I'd want to say resistor. I don't know. Backside of the board. Okay, we got some decent looking stuff on this side. Flat pack, bunch of little chips, some different surface mount components. These two here appear to have gold. I mean, there's what appears to be gold on the ends of these, and also on this one. This is a tantalum capacitor. Some of these look like they've got gold in the flashing, so that's curious. Most of the flashing up in here is copper. You can see all that, but there's definitely some gold plating or something in the either on the flashing or on the soldering. So it's unusual. I don't know if it's unusual, but I've not seen it before. I'll say it that way. So that's it for that board. We'll put it in to process later. The oscillator we could take now if we wanted to, but I'm not going to bother right now. There's another inductor, it looks like. Probably has some copper in there. This is a capacitor. Excuse me. Another capacitor there. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Have a good one.